Winston, you've overslept in your bed this morning, and because you've overslept, we need to leave to go to the Mainline Hobbies tour of model railroads. We talked about this last week, folks, on the channel, and if you're subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the bell, the notifications bell. It's a little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'd get notified. But we put the word out about these model railroad open house tours, and now we're going to go visit them. And sorry, Winston, because you overslept, you can't go, but come along with me and Alex Kohler, and we'll show you some really nice layouts.
Hey everybody, Alp Police Trades at Brian Wolfe's Western Maryland Railroad, part of the Mainline Hobbies open houses. Let me show it to you.
That was a comment that was said in the
Wow, this is really nice.
like we were at the league the other night.
He's got the cobra. He's got the cobra. He's got the cobra pulled over.
Alex, say hello, Alex.
Hey guys, how's it going? Happy Mainline Hobby Tour Day.
We're not going to be able to speak to Brian only because he's very busy hosting. There's a lot of folks here. So thanks, Brian, for opening your layout. Again, he's busy talking with many people as a host, so let's just look at the layout.
Can't do both.
Can't do both.
Nice coal hoppers.
Oh, yeah. That's an interesting scene. This is... Folks, forgive me if the camera... Just trying to get shots. There's a lot of folks here, open house, and it's...
And if you're a West Maryland speed lettering fan, this is your paradise just above right here in this yard. If you're a speed lettering fan of West Maryland, that's your paradise right there.
Up here?
Yep. All West Maryland power with the speed lettering scheme.
Wow.
We didn't want any of that.
It's beautiful when it's running, but if something happens, you know it's going to happen. It must be small.
Nice overview. Nice overview.
Grand area right here. Oh yeah.
Hey, it's good seeing you.
I'm just saying, can we go?
Hanging it all in?
Yeah. Pictures of the area. Do this without taking my head
Well, thanks for watching this, folks. Wish we could do a little more on it, but maybe we will revisit this layout on a later video.